In this video, I show how to multiply polynomials using both the FOIL and box methods. Here's our first problem. So the way you start is you multiply the first two terms together, f. F is x times x, plus, next is outer, O, x times negative 3, plus, next is inner, I, 5 times x, plus last, L, 5 times negative 3. Next we're going to multiply these all together. X times x squared, plus x times negative 3 is negative 3x, plus 5 times x is 5x, plus 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Right, we can collect the two middle terms here. Our negative 3x plus 5x becomes 2x. So we have x squared plus 2x plus a negative 15 is just minus 15. Here's our next problem. I'm going to use the FOIL method for this one as well. So let's multiply the first two terms together. F, x times x, plus, next is outer, O, x times negative 4, plus inner, I, negative 6 times x, plus last terms, L, negative 6 times negative 4. Next we multiply these together. X times x is x squared, plus x times negative 4 is negative 4x, plus negative 6 times x is negative 6x, plus negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. Now we're going to combine the two middle terms. Negative 4x plus negative 6x is negative 10x. So we have x squared minus 10x plus 24. Here's our last problem. For this one, I'm going to use the box method. So the first polynomial, let's put that vertically on our box. So we got x squared, 5x, minus 8, and then we're going to put the other polynomial on the top. X squared minus 2x minus 5. And from here, you're just going to multiply for each square. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times negative 2x is negative 2x cubed. X squared times negative 5 is negative 5x squared. 5x times x squared is 5x cubed. 5x times negative 2x is negative 10x squared. 5x times negative 5 is negative 25x. Negative 8 times x squared is negative 8x squared. Negative 8 times negative 2x is positive 16x. Negative 8 times negative 5 is a positive 40. From here, I'm going to circle like terms. So let's write the polynomial from highest degree to lowest. So we're going to start with x to the 4th, just right there, plus, then we have 5x cubed minus 2x cubed. That's going to be 3x cubed, plus negative 8x squared minus 10x squared minus 5x squared. That is negative 23x squared, plus 16x minus 25x is negative 9x. Finally, we have a 40 at the end, so plus 40. And that should be the answer.